Hey guys, now in today's video, we're going to share with you a special package that we received from Google. And we're going to do this unboxing. It's unique, and you're going to want to see everything we got in this bag. Let's go and check it out. Now, this package came in yesterday. I want to share with you what was inside of the box. I'm going to start taking out all the things that are in here. So first of all, the main thing we're going to take out, yep, that's it, is this bag. But this bag is full of goodies. Let me show you what's inside. All right, so the very first thing that we have in here, let's see what we have. I'll check this out. This is, this is a travel charger. Gotta love it. Check that out. The travel charger. Again, this is going to be one of those international travel chargers so that you can actually plug in anywhere in the world, no matter which country you're in, because of all the different plugs that you see right here. You can plug anything into it, and it corresponds with something that's going on this side. See? So fantastic, and it also has USB-A and USB-C. All right, next thing in the bag. What else do we have? Let's see. Check it out. We have some aloe vera. How thoughtful. Well, we're looking for tech. Next thing in the bag. What's in here? What's in here? All right, there's a big one. There's a big one coming out. And the big one is, all right, a 30-watt USB-C charger. Uh-oh, I think we're getting close. 30-watt USB-C charger. What else do we have? In the bag, what else do we have? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Check this out. Vaseline. We got some lip balm. Need that. Goes with the aloe vera. Let's see what else we have. I'm going to peek this time. All right. Okay. This is an interesting one. This is a little travel bag. All right. And we'll see what's inside. And inside, a passport. Looks like we're going places. Checking out what's in the bag. Let's see. What else do we have in here? Uh-oh. Okay. I don't know what this is. Let's see, what is this? It's a bag. It's a travel bag. All right, look at that. For all your goodies. All right, let me show you what this looks like. There we go. All right, so we have one of these. All right, there's more. Put that over to the side. Go back into our bag. Okay, I think we got the good stuff now. Whoa, everything is good. Let's see what we have here. All right, the Google Pixel 8a. So, thanks Google for sending us the goodie bag. And I have to say that it's not just the items that we found inside, but this is a great travel sling, right? So it has a single strap, and it's going to carry all of our stuff when we explore and take photos and experience the Google Pixel 8a. Stay tuned for an unboxing and a full review of the Google Pixel 8a. Thanks again, Google.